In this guide, we're going over how you can fix Raid Shadow Legends if you're getting the error where it won't launch. There's a few main fixes we're going over, and this will help you out. Before we do get into this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you need to check is if the servers are down. You can look at official social pages or forums just to see if there's maintenance issues. Obviously, if the servers are down, it's not your fault that the game is not launching. However, if the servers aren't down, go ahead and restart your device by closing all the apps and rebooting your PC or phone and try again. On PC, you can also check the task manager just to make sure that the game isn't running in the background. But after that, update the game, and on PC, go ahead and also open up Plarium Pay and check for updates on there. On mobile, update through the official App Store or the Google Play Store as well. Also, if you're on PC, try repairing the game. You can do this by opening up Plarium Play as well, and of course clicking the gear icon on the game, selecting repair, and then relaunching after it finishes. You can also clear cache on an Android. Go to settings, find the game, open storage, and clear cache. On an iPhone, reinstall the game to do that, and of course on PC, just press Windows R, type temp, and then delete any game related files, and that is it. That is all the ways to fix Raid Shadow Legends not launching. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.